What is up, you guys? Thank you for tuning in. This is your boy The Feeling, aka you can call me Jay Steezy. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Show your friends if they have a G35 sedan. But today I'm gonna be wrapping this fender, and if everything goes well, I'm gonna be wrapping the other side. So you guys wish me luck on that. And yeah, let's get to it. So in order to wrap this fender, I have to take off this whole side skirt. So yeah, there's a few clips inside, as you can see. Let me zoom in there for y'all. Yeah, see that? The little white part. A few clips. And then there's like a screw right here. This little area. I had to take that off. And then there's one back here too. Right there. I had to take that one off. And all it is just just popping it off the clips. So let's do it. So I figured out that there's bolts. I think there are 10. I'm gonna try to, oh, here it is. That bad boy right there. So yeah, I think there's 2 on each side, or there's like one in the front by the fender. I don't know if there's one by the, in between the 2 doors. Oh shit. Never mind. Oh wait, never mind. I'm cool. Never mind. Okay, yeah. There's gonna be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably like 5 bolts we gotta take off. Yeah, if you guys are wondering like what the fuck is this white shit, it's house trimming, yo. I use this to make some side splitters. Let's get to it. So quick little update. The hood is hella hard to do, guys. Super hard. Like me, I don't know shit about wrapping. I know there's gonna be so much wrinkles in this shit, but you know, I live and I learn. And hopefully I can inspire someone to do their own hood. But it is pretty much a pain in the ass. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to it. This thing's taking forever. It's my first time. So I'm just learning to work with vinyl, and it's pretty hard. But once you get the hang of it, you kind of know what you're doing, I guess. But yeah, pretty much. I'm gonna finish it though.
You're afraid of us. You're afraid of change. I don't know the future. I didn't come here to tell you how this is going to end. I came here to tell you how it's going to begin. I'm going to hang up this phone, and then I'm going to show these people what you don't want them to see. I'm going to show them a world without you. A world without rules and controls, without borders or boundaries. A world where anything is possible.
Sorry about the wind, guys. If you guys can hear the wind through the audio, whatever. There's a lot of wind out here in Cali. But I wanted to show you guys the passenger side fender real quick because I did my S-cut wrong. And sorry, Paradox, I kind of fell on this. But I always managed to hide it, kind of. Y'all can see that. That line is way off. That shit go whoop, whoop. Yeah, y'all see that? So what I did, I just threw a piece under it, and then I fucking just threw this one on top, and I was like, fuck it, call it a day, right? So yeah, so I just got done doing the hood and the fenders. Well, actually this is day 2, but anyways, I'm about to show you guys right now how everything came out. There is a little bit of imperfections, it's not the best, but yeah, she's right there, as you can see her. Might be a little dark. Ooh, look at that. She look good. The hood is done. The fenders are done. Thank you guys for tuning in again for this part 3 that I've just got done videoing for y'all. But this hood was really hard to do. There is some imperfections and all that. I'm not a professional. It's my first time. I'm a first timer. But yeah, I'm pretty satisfied how it came out. The cutting is not that bad. Getting it to like start off from here, from the middle to this way, that was really hard. I had to keep lifting it up from this side. Just keep lifting up. I did glass it out, but that part, it was easy, but then it was hard because I would get like creases right here, wrinkles, whatever you call it. And man, that was a pain in the ass. Yep, here it is. She's turning into a beauty. Yeah, wrapping is not for everybody. This shit is a pain in the ass. So yeah, so if you're thinking of wrapping your own car, all I'm gonna say, if you have really good patience, and you don't get mad as fast, then you can do this. Thank you guys once again. Like, comment, and subscribe. This your boy The Feeling, aka you can call me Jay Steezy. And I hope you guys enjoyed this part 3 of the video. Alright, cheers.
Hey yo, the feeling, this shit is ill.